Hello and welcome back to another video. My name is Gordon Frayne and today we are showing you how to deposit money into Binance. As always, before we jump into the topic, please make sure to smash the thumbs up button below if you enjoy the content. Hit that subscribe button. We are on the road to our first 1,000 subscribers, and smash that bell notification icon so you can get notified. We are dropping multiple videos every single week, and you're going to want to get updated every time we drop a new video so you can stay updated on everything in the rapidly evolving crypto space. So let's jump into today's video. And obviously the prerequisite to being able to deposit money into Binance is obviously having a Binance account in the first place. So of course you need to come over to Binance.com and you need to sign up if you have not created an account already, or you need to sign into your account if you already have an account created, which you probably do if you're looking for tutorials on how to deposit into Binance. So when you have your account created, or once you are signed in, the next thing you need to do is you do need to verify your identity on Binance in order to be able to make a deposit or send money into your account. So you need to do the KYC AML, and you're not going to be able to deposit money until you do that. So you will need to verify your identity by uploading your ID, so a driver's license or a passport or a government issued ID will suffice to get verified on Binance. And the process is generally pretty quick. I think they say within 1 business day, but oftentimes it only takes a few minutes for it to get approved as soon as you upload your identity document. So once you have created your account, you're signed in, you have verified your identity, then you will be able to deposit funds into your Binance account. Now, there are 3 ways that we're going to look at how to deposit funds into your Binance account today. The first way, all of the ways, we will be using the deposit button up at the top of the screen here. So what you want to do is click on deposit. The first way that you can deposit money into your Binance account is by depositing crypto. Okay, so again, the prerequisite here would be that you potentially have another account on another exchange, or you already have an existing cryptocurrency wallet like MetaMask or Exodus or Trust Wallet, or a different cryptocurrency wallet where you already have funds in that wallet or in that exchange. And to deposit crypto from another exchange or deposit money from another exchange, what you can do is come in here, you can click on the specific token or cryptocurrency that you want to deposit into Binance, and then generate a deposit address that you will use to send funds from your other wallet or your other exchange. So again, for example purposes, let's say you wanted to send Bitcoin from a different wallet or exchange into Binance. You would select the coin that you want to send. Then you need to select the network that you're going to send that coin via. So again, we can send it directly via the Bitcoin network or the Lightning network, etc. If we wanted to do something else like USDT, for example, we could send that using the Tron network or the BSC network. Again, the network that you use to send the token or the cryptocurrency is going to determine the cost and the price. So oftentimes BSC and Tron will be much cheaper than sending it via the Ethereum network, because the Ethereum network has very high gas fees. So again, you would select, for example, we're going to send USDT via the Binance Smart Chain network into Binance, and then Binance generates this wallet address for us to use. So we would copy this wallet address. We would then go over to our other account, whether it's an exchange account or our wallet, and paste this address into that wallet or exchange as the destination address where we are trying to send our USDT. So this is basically the way to generate an address to receive cryptocurrency into your Binance account. And then once you send the funds from your other exchange or your other wallet to this specific address, it will then land and appear in your spot wallet area here on Binance. So again, you will see that USDT land in here once you send it from the other exchange or the other wallet. The second way to deposit funds onto Binance that we're looking at today is via a bank deposit. So again, this will probably be one of the most common ways for you to send money to Binance directly from your bank account. So funding your Binance account with traditional fiat currency, whether you're sending euro or US dollar or Turkish lira, there are a myriad of different options here. Depending on your country and your location and your bank account, you should select the native currency of your country and your bank account from which you are sending the funds. So we're going to look at euro as an example here, but if we want to send euro from our bank account into Binance, we would click on euro. We can then click one of the options for a bank transfer via SEPA. We will then click on continue, which allows us to denote how much euro we want to send from our bank account to Binance. So again, let's say we wanted to send 1,000 euro. It will show us the transaction fee is going to cost us 120, and we will actually receive 998.8 euro into our Binance spot wallet when that transfer completes. Now, it is worth noting that this option can sometimes take 1 to 3 business days for the funds to appear in your Binance spot wallet. So I will say that it does happen within a few minutes sometimes, but it can take 1 to 3 business days for these funds to actually land into Binance. So you need to take that into consideration. If you're in a hurry to buy some crypto, then this may not be the best option. But if you're happy to send the funds, knowing that they will arrive within 1 to 3 business days, then this is probably the most cost-effective option for depositing money into Binance. Obviously, next you just need to click on continue. It's then going to ask you to enter your 2-factor authentication code for Binance, and then it will initiate the transfer. It'll redirect you to your bank account to confirm that, or your bank account website to confirm that, and then that transaction will be initiated and funds will land in your account within 1 to 3 business days. The final way that we're going to look at here to deposit money into your Binance account is to use this buy crypto option. And this option might be better for you if you are looking to buy a cryptocurrency more quickly than a bank transfer. So this option will basically allow you to purchase any cryptocurrency on Binance by denoting how much you want to purchase in euro or US dollars or your local currency, and then selecting the crypto that you want to receive. So let's just use a quick example for Solana. Let's say we wanted to buy Solana really quick. We wanted to buy it today because it's at a low price, and we wanted to buy 1,000 euro worth of Solana. When we enter that amount here, it's going to show us the quote that we would receive 7.071 Solana. And the benefit of using this particular option is that you can use your credit or debit card to make the purchase of the cryptocurrency. So that is the benefit of using this option. However, the downside is that you're going to get a worse rate because you're going to get charged a higher transaction fee for the convenience of receiving the SOL pretty much straight away. So if we click on buy SOL and continue, it's going to ask us, it's going to transfer us to the payment processor, which in this case is Paymonade. This will differ depending on the native currency that you select, whether it's euro, US dollar, or Turkish lira, etc. And then you will complete the transaction by using your Visa or MasterCard, debit or credit card. It supports Google Pay and Apple Pay as well. So again, the benefit of this option is that you can pretty much execute the transaction straight away and you will receive the funds into your spot wallet pretty much instantly, but you are going to pay a higher transaction fee and get a worse conversion rate than if you simply transfer the funds into Binance with a bank transfer and then purchase the Solana as a result. So they are the trade-offs, and they are the 3 different options for how you can deposit money into Binance. As always, if you enjoy the content, please make sure to smash the thumbs up button below, hit that subscribe button. We are on the road to our first 1,000 subscribers, and hit that bell notification icon so you can get notified every time we drop new videos and tutorials on the channel so that you can hit your crypto goals. As always, we will catch you in the next one.